So we're starting this major chin augmentation procedure for this patient. You can see how retruded the chin is. The face is totally convex. We're going to do an extended genioplasty, which will have more of a horizontal augmentation than a vertical. And this is going to be done under nasal intubation. So we've just completed with this major chin augmentation, and we're going to show you how she looked before. You also saw her in the earlier video ahead of this. So we did 15 millimeters of advancement in the horizontal dimension. We did 8 millimeters of vertical augmentation. No bone grafting done, and this is the immediate result. We're going to show you how she looked before. So you can see that the chin was literally not there. Now we've given her a nice chin that's going to improve her proportion as well. The upper lip is exposed now because of the tube on the nose. Okay, we're going to show you the front view. So there you go, there to here.